Hello and welcome. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the processor details on your computer and also how you can see and know the generation of the processor. Now the processor is defined in terms of cores. So we used to have Pentium, we had Core 2 Duo, we have Core i3, we have Core i5, we have Core i7 and on. And also the generations differs depending on each core. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Let's get into it. There are various ways we can use to find the processor details on our PC. We can simply go to the Start menu. And from Start menu, we go to Settings. And this will open up our settings. And then we want to go to Systems, which is the first option. Open it. And from here, head to the About section and click on About. Now, this will give us two specifications. The device specifications, which is this, and then the Windows specifications, which is this. So we are interested in the device specifications, the details of our device. Now here we shall find the name of the desktop, and what we are interested in is the processor. As you can see from here, this is a Core i5 CPU or processor, and this is a 4th generation processor. Now, the 4th generation is taken from the first letter after the Core i5, and the next number immediately after the Core is the generation of your CPU or your processor. So if yours began with 5, it will be 5th generation. If it began with 6, it will be 6th generation. And for my case, this is a Core i5 processor, and it is a 4th generation one. And the processing speeds is 3 GHz. You can as well find other information such as installed RAM, and the device ID, as well as the product ID that you have on your system. We can see the system type, and in my case, I have the 64-bit operating system and 64-based processor. This means that when I'm installing any Windows, I'll have the option to choose the 32 or the 64. And the 64 type is the most powerful, and as you can see from the device specifications, the 64-bit operating system can be installed on this computer, and in fact, I'm using the 64-bit operating system. Let me know if you have any other question, and if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.